request your full attention as the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features of these aircraft. Please stow your carry-on luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. We request that all mobile phones shall be turned off for the full duration of the flight, as this item might interfere with the navigational communication equipments on these aircraft. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Tampering with the smoke detectors located in the lavatory is prohibited by law. There are 6 emergency exits on this aircraft, 2 forward, 2 aft, and 1 over each wing. If we need to evacuate the aircraft, floor-level lighting will guide you towards the exit. Please take a few moments to locate your nearest exit. In some cases, your nearest exit may be behind you. In an unlikely event of decompression, an oxygen mask will automatically appear in front of you. Pull the mask towards you, place it firmly over your nose and mouth, secure the elastic band behind your head, and breathe normally. If you are traveling with an infant or someone who requires assistance, secure your mask on first before assisting others. A life vest is located in a pouch under your seat or between the armrests. Slip it over your head, pass the straps around your waist, and adjust to the front. To inflate the vest, blow into the mouthpieces. Doors will be opened by moving the handle in the direction of the arrow. We wish you all an enjoyable flight.